Christmas is a time for delicious meals and sweet treats. But did you know many of the foods we enjoy during Christmas have fascinating biblical connections? Let's take a closer look. First, bread and wine. These staples of Christmas dinners symbolize the Last Supper, where Jesus shared bread as his body and wine as his blood with his disciples. It's a reminder of his sacrifice and love. Next, fruits like figs, dates, and honey. These ingredients were commonly mentioned in the Bible, symbolizing abundance and God's blessings. Many Christmas desserts today, like fruitcake and fig pudding, keep this tradition alive. Lamb, a popular Christmas roast in many cultures, represents Jesus as the Lamb of God. It's a connection to the Passover meal and his ultimate role in bringing salvation. And how about spices like cinnamon and nutmeg? These remind us of the gifts brought by the wise men to baby Jesus: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Spiced cookies and cakes today are a nod to these ancient treasures. So the next time you savor your Christmas feast, think about the deep connections between these foods and the Bible. It's more than just a meal. It's a celebration of faith, tradition, and love. Learn more amazing facts about Christmas and faith by hitting that subscribe button. Merry Christmas and bon appetit.